National Visa Center Civil Documents Accepted 2024 Complete Guide. Hey there, welcome to our video on the National Visa Center Civil Document Requirements for 2024. If you're planning to immigrate to the United States, you'll need to submit a variety of civil documents to support your visa application. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to make sure your documents are accepted by the NVC. Let's dive in. Before we start our video, just a disclaimer, this video is based on our experience on how we submit our civil documents to the CAAC. Quick background of me. I am the beneficiary, single with no previous marriage, not in the military. I have worked as an overseas Filipino worker in Singapore for 8 years and have used English as my language for this application. As I mentioned to my previous video, National Visa Center is a centralized processing center for all immigrant visa applications to the United States. It's part of the U.S. Department of State and is responsible for reviewing submitted application, collecting fees, and forwarding approved petition to a U.S. Embassy or consulate for final processing. So what exactly do you need to submit to the NVC? Here's a quick rundown of the most important civil documents. These are the documents that I submitted. First is passport biographic page. Second is the 2x2 photographs. Birth certificate, all must be PSA. Marriage certificate, police certificate because I work in a other country for more than 6 months, so I need to submit a police certificate. And I also submitted the NBI clearance and advisory of marriage PSA copy. You have to make sure to scan and upload each document individually and include any required translations. If a document is unavailable, you need to submit a detailed explanation to the NVC. All documents not written in English or the official language of the country from which you are applying must be accompanied by certified translations. The translations must include a statement signed by the translator stating that the translation is accurate and the translator is competent to translate. NVC will not review your file until you have uploaded both financial documents from the petitioner and your civil documents. You must also have paid the required fees and submitted a Form DS-260 visa application for every applicant on your case. The NVC's processing times can vary depending on factors like your priority date, payment processing, and whether you've submitted all the required documents. For most up-to-date information, check the NVC's website or contact them directly. Even though you submitted copies of all required documents online, you must bring the original paper version to your interview at the U.S. Embassy. If you do not, the consular officer will not be able to complete your interview or issue a visa. Additional tips and FAQs. How to find required documents. Use the document finder tool in the U.S. State Department website. What to do if you cannot obtain a required document. Submit a detailed written explanation to NVC. Do I need to bring documents to the visa interview? Yes, bring the original documents. In conclusion, understanding the civil documents required by the NVC is crucial for a successful immigrant visa application. By following these guidelines and ensuring all necessary documents are submitted, you can streamline your application process and increase your chances of obtaining a visa. Thank you for watching our video on the National Visa Center Civil Documents Accepted in 2024. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative US visa application videos. Thank you and God bless.